Are you struggling to lose weight? What are weight loss dietary supplements and what do they do? The proven ways to lose weight are eating healthful foods, cutting calories, and being physically active. But making these lifestyle changes isn't easy, so you might wonder if taking a dietary supplement that's promoted for weight loss might help. The appeal of losing weight quickly is hard to resist. But do weight loss pills and products lighten anything but your wallet? And are they safe? Setting realistic expectations: there's no magic bullet for losing weight. The most effective way to lose weight and keep it off is by eating a healthy low-calorie diet and being more physically active. Weight loss pills, prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, herbal products or other dietary supplements, are all, at best, tools that may help with weight loss. But there is relatively little research about these products. The best studied of these are prescription weight loss drugs. In late May of this 2020, Nutravesta, one of the supplement manufacturers in USA, has released their last Prodcut, proven weight loss detox formula. Don't forget to visit the link in description to get the discount price. Proven is, quite possibly, one of the world's very best natural weight loss supplements. It contains 20 of the most powerful and highest quality natural ingredients, at optimal levels, and combined them to create this pioneering formula. Unlike the vast majority of competitor supplements, the exact quantity of each ingredient in Proven is clearly listed. What's more, we ensure that each ingredient is of the absolute highest potency and purity available. Each bottle contains 60 capsules, which is enough for a 1-month supply, and are shipped to the customer immediately after purchase from our state-of-the-art warehouse. Ingredients: green tea leaves, turmeric, panax ginseng, garlic bulb, Asian mushroom complex, bioflavonoids, selenium, vitamins A and C, lycopene, beta-glucan, Essaic tea complex, cat's claw, arabinogalactin. Each bottle contains 60 capsules, which is enough for a 1-month supply, and are shipped to the customer immediately after purchase. Testing: Proven was tested with a group of volunteers. In total 62 people, all suffering from varying levels of obesity. After 90 days the results were more incredible than any of them could have ever imagined. On average they lost 54 pounds of fat. They experienced increased energy, better mood. Several of them could even see their abs for the first time ever. Regardless of how much they had to lose. Their metabolism, their genetics, or their age. You can be one of the first to get Proven and see the results for yourself. Currently Nutravesta offers a huge discount for the laun of Proven. Click the link in description to order Proven Weight Loss Advanced Formula at a fraction of regular price.